So one of the most important things about taking your product and shipping it to your client is actually to put tracking on it. So when you're buying the product from AliExpress, you gotta use the tracking that they actually give you. So here is an example of a product that I actually bought on AliExpress. I took this product and I'm drop shipping it directly to my client. So the first thing that you want to do is to look at the order ID. When you press on this, it's going to give all the info that you actually need. So I pressed on the order ID, and now this is going to show me the tracking information. So the complete tracking information is the following. The item itself was shipped using ePacket, and here is the tracking number. Those are the two most important things that you actually need, because this is the information that you'll be posting directly to your client. Now here is the complete details of the actual tracking for this product. So here it is. It says the delivery. It says where it actually went, the different post office and every location it went through until it gets to its actual destination. So one thing that is very important for you to see is that it actually took pretty fast for this item to get from its location all the way to be delivered directly to me. So sometimes it takes pretty fast for the item to get actually shipped. Now, next thing you want to do is, once you get the tracking information down, is to go to eBay, and over here there's going to be a special menu, and this special menu is going to be included in the order details. And in the order details, what you're going to be doing next, you're going to be adding the tracking information to this order. So now you can also see how much money I made in this transaction as well. And interestingly enough, you can also see how much money I made with this specific order. I sold this item for $15.98, and I bought this for only $7.19. You can see that the difference in price, the arbitrage, is my profit, which is pretty handsome for a very simple item. So of course the next step for us is to add the tracking to this item. So let's press on add tracking, and over here I already did added the tracking information down. But what you're going to be doing is pressing on add another, or of course add the original tracking. Put the name of the tracking number, which is going to be, let's go back in here, get the actual tracking right now, go back into here. So now we're ready to put the tracking number all the way down into this listing. Now this is just an example for you. You'll be doing this for your own listing using the same exact method. So all you have to do is to press on add another, or add the tracking, press on paste, which is going to put in the whole tracking number, and here you're going to be putting the name of the post office that's going to do the delivery, which is going to be China Post. So once you're done, all you have to do is to press on save, and then the tracking number automatically will enter the system. Once the tracking number enters the system, you're actually all set to go. So now eBay will credit you for this transaction, and then the person who buys it can see the way this item is going to get tracked until it gets to its destination. Let's now go ahead and show you how to go and add the tracking number to your actual listing. So after you go and sell a specific product, the next step for you to do is to add the tracking. To do so, all you have to do is to go to the eBay Manage Shipping Labels page. Over here you press on the item number. It's going to bring you to a different menu that looks exactly like this. In this menu, you're going to be pressing on show additional actions, and over here there's going to be a menu that says add tracking. You press on this once and you see this next menu where you can go ahead and add a tracking number to your listing.